morning, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 8 student. Our today's topic is second part of Assignment 2. Dear students, today we will discuss the answer of question answer D of Assignment 2. Take your textbook, open page number 65. You will get this question answer on lesson 12 to 13 and follow the class with your textbook, with your copy. Dear students, this is our stem of the question 2. First there is the element's name, and second there is the atomic number, and third one there is the mass number. Here in the D question, the atom of element X and Y mentioned in the chart of the stem are able to form compound. Analyze with logic. First question, X element have atomic number 17 and Y element have atomic number 11. By seeing the atomic number, we can recognize that one is sodium and that is chlorine. Now come to the answer of D. Element X and Y can form a compound with each other. The number of electrons and protons in X is 17. Electron configuration X 17 is equal to 2, 8, 7, and the number of electrons and protons in Y is 11. Electron configuration Y 11 is equal to 2, 8 and 1. The distribution of electron in X and Y is given below. Dear students, you have to put the X figure in first, then you have to put the Y figure. It is of sodium and this figure is for chlorine. And see, in this figure, in first orbit 2 electron, in second orbit 8 electron, in the last orbit, dear student, this is wrong. This will be only 1 electron. And here look, this is for chlorine. There in the first orbit there is 2, second orbit there is 8, and the last orbit there is 7 electrons. And this figure is electron distribution in X and Y. By observing their respective electronic configuration, it is easily understood that Y element has only 1 electron in its outer orbit, whereas X element has 7 electrons. So it is easier for Y to leave 1 electron and become Y plus ion. This is positive ion and we know it is cation. Dear students, you have to input this word. That means Y become cation or Y plus ion. That positive ion is called cation. That time you have to give the picture. That means Y leave 1 electron and that Y is become cation. On the other hand, it is difficult for X to leave all of its 7 outermost electrons, and so it rather takes up the electron left by Y and become Y minus or Y negative ion, that means anion. Dear students, again I am telling, you have to input the word anion with this. And you have to draw this figure. Look, it has 7 electron out in its outermost layer, and it get 1 electron and it become an anion of X element. Positively charged Y and negatively charged X ion attract each other by means of electrostatic force and form X minus Y plus or XY compound. Here Y is sodium element, that means it is the symbol of sodium Na, and X is chlorine, that means Cl element. They form a salt named sodium chloride, and then NaCl. This is the this is the sodium chloride. In this way, this type of compound is called ionic compound, formed by ionic bond since it involves by formation of oppositely charged ion. You have to draw this chart like this. Y11 is Na, it is sodium, it leave one electron and become cation of sodium, and X17, that is chlorine, it take one electron and it is become negatively charged, that means anion, and now sodium plus chlorine is equal to Na positively charged ion with negatively charged chlorine, becomes sodium chloride or NaCl. Now you have to draw this figure 2 with this chart. This is the figure of bond formation between X and Y. Dear student, your submission date of assignment 2 is 29th November 2020. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Read the chapter properly, write clearly, and make index for your assignment, and in your cover page you have to add submitted to the teacher's name to whom you are submitted the assignment, and with it you have to copy the stem, and with the stem the all questions too. So write the assignment so clearly and correctly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. See you again.